Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. If you own a business and you keep starting and stopping the gym, it's not because of motivation. You heard me right. Let me go straight to the point. One of the reasons why you keep on starting and stopping the gym is not because of motivation. So this right here is rubbish. Motivation starts and stop. And a lot of you guys think all I just need to do is just lock in. I'm going to start on Monday. All I just need to do is just lock in. I'm going to start on Wednesday. However, relax. It's not because of that. You don't rise because of motivation. You fall to the level of your systems. And every single time you rely on this thing called motivation, you know you're going to be cooked. So what you would do is you need to find a way on how to couple up a busy life with actually going to the gym. The biggest issue is more often than not, people actually have no freaking systems. And that's the biggest thing. When I was juggling between work, school, uni, dating, building a business, I was still hitting the gym. And the reason was because I had a dialed-in system. And that's what we're going to be diving into. Because when you couple up the stress from your busy day and the chaos that happens in your whole day, you're going to tell yourself, oh, I'm going to hit the gym at the end of the day. When the end of the day comes, you probably don't have your gym clothes in your bag. You probably don't have maybe the supplements you need to take in your bag, so you can literally just hop into the gym and just bang out a session. And system simply means save yourself stress, time, energy, and money. I'm going to be giving you guys a 3-day split in order for you to actually stick to the gym consistently. So we're going to be doing a push, pull, legs. You're either going to be doing this or you're going to be doing 3 times full body. So I would recommend 3 times full body. The reason being, it allows your muscles to actually grow hella fast. However, considering the fact that you guys don't have enough time and that is going to be a very, very stressful workout, I'll recommend, if you're a complete beginner, just do the push-pull legs. Monday, we're going to be doing a push routine. On Wednesday, we're going to be doing a pull routine. And lastly, Saturday, we're going to be doing a leg routine. The push day, what we're going to be focusing on would be our chest, our shoulders, and our triceps. So this would be focusing on things that give you 80% of the results with 20% of inputs. So on Monday would be push. On this workout, you're going to be focusing on chest plus shoulders plus triceps. Best thing I would tell you while you're trying to build a sexy, attractive physique while balancing a hard lifestyle would be any incline movement for upper chest. Incline plus some dips. We're going to be doing any form of pressing movement. So a vertical press like any movement that allows you to do like this for your shoulders, plus lateral raises. And we're also going to be doing 1 red delt movement. Now the lateral raises are the exercises you do like this for. And for red delts, I'll tell you, you can literally just do a face pull. And finally, because you've already pretty much done dips, so you can also do maybe 1 tricep push down. Time efficient, should take you in less than an hour. So focus on your upper chest. If you don't have any middle chest, focus on, I won't recommend bench for aesthetic reasons, and I know most of you train to look good. So I'll just recommend this, and immediately after that, I'm going straight to my shoulders, pushing movements, lateral raises, and red delts. Now for Wednesdays, because we're spacing out your training, we don't want no excuses. Let's do legs, because I know that you guys actually don't like training legs. So for leg day, we're simply going to be doing a squat. If you don't like squats, I personally realized that I started doing lunges. This is good as well. After that, we can also do some RDLs. After RDLs, we can do half raise. And finally, some adductors. Honestly, leg day, if trained very well, you can also keep this in 45 minutes to under an hour. Very, very easy for 2 days down, so that we have a push day done and we have a leg day done. Now, finally, we're going to have, on Saturday, we're going to have a pull day. A pull day is also a very calm day. All we literally need to do would be some pull-ups. I'm giving you guys exercises that is not going to waste your time. 3 sets, 3 sets of as many as you can. So let me say 10 to 12 reps. So your pull-up should be all the way up, all the way down. Mid-back rows. And I would say some extensions. So the ones where you like, your extensions will be for your lower back. So you're pretty much gonna be somewhere like, you're gonna be like this, you're gonna be like this. And finally, we do some biceps. Bicep curls. That's literally a routine that solves the problem of I don't have time. As much as you can focus on the workouts, it is so crucial you also focusing on the diet, because that is what's gonna drive even more of your gains. If your workouts is like 20%, your diet is the remaining 80%. You need to be putting work inside of the gym, and you also need to be putting work outside of the gym. If you literally don't fix your diet, you would stay the exact same way. Now let's go to your diet. Diet. If I'm gonna break this down, I'm gonna be giving you things that require minimum cooking. So the biggest one first has to be chicken. You guys, most of you, at least I know like 90% of you guys would love to eat chicken. So we're gonna be cooking a lot of chicken. Chicken is gonna be one. We should aim for around 300 grams of cooked chicken every single day. I'm trying to simplify this so you don't even try and even stress. Cook the chicken and try and aim for around 300 grams. So you should actually low-key buy a food scale. Now, if you don't even like cooking, I would recommend tuna for you. Buy you some tuna. This is almost the exact same protein as chicken. So you're gonna be eating a lot of tunas. Now for carb sources, I would say if you don't like cooking at all, you need to start relying on some vegetables. Personally, vegetables I have every single time recently has to be carrots and lettuce. Now we also have number 4 could be eggs. Easy and staple source. Now finally, if I'm supposed to add anything to this, I could easily say you can add some minced meats. If you can literally just stick to eating these consistently. Let's say you do like some oats, let's say you like some healthy foods here and there. I'm not saying you shouldn't add that. All I'm trying to say is that your emphasis should be mainly focusing on protein. I'll recommend you downloading the app I use as well. That's Chronometer. You can try and track your meals every single time. I've done a dozen of videos explaining how to track your macros. If you can use a calculator, you can track your calories. So this is literally all you need to do. You can balance out having a busy lifestyle that is so chaotic, in between work, in between stress and everything. You can balance it out with just getting gains and starting to have your body reflect that beautiful lifestyle you already have. And that's literally the end of the video. If you have any issues with your dieting, your training, your nutrition, I'll literally tell you book a call with the link, and I'll definitely love to help you and work with you to get you the result.